In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable AI camera tracking movement to video using Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we're going to do is open up Capcut. And now I can continue with an old project, but I'm going to choose new project. And I'm going to choose this one here and click add. Now this is going to add it to Capcut. Now, in order to add or enable AI camera tracking movement to this video, click on the video, and now at the bottom, scroll across and click onto camera tracking, and then it will say AI movement. So click on AI movement. Now we've got a few different AI movements we can use. So they got dynamic, zoom, shake, or soft. These are all pro, by the way, so you need to have CapCut Pro. If you don't, I will leave a link in the description below so you can try CapCut Pro for 7 days for free in a trial. So once you've done that, choose which AI movement you want to use. So if I want to do, say, this zoom one, I'm going to click zoom, and now it's going to analyze beats. So wait for that to do its thing, and then I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once it is finished applying. All right, so if I go ahead and press play, you will see that AI movement of zoom has been added to the video. Now, if you like that video, go ahead and click on export and then upload that to your favorite socials.